Hi everybody, Chris Henderson here from Northern Tribe Outdoors, and it is a foggy one today. It is January the 2nd, and there are a lot of people hunting on the marsh today. We got hunters within sight of us, we got hunters around us and back of us and all around us, and we got out here early enough that we were able to secure the spot we wanted, so we're happy about that. But it's going to be a big incoming, and then everybody's going to get out of Dodge because it goes down to a minus like 0.3 or something, or 3 point something. It's going to just flood out of here and be complete mud flat. So they're going to have to run. We're going to get to walk. So that'll be okay with us. We got into the spot and have been hunting a little bit, and believe it or not, I already got 3 birds, but all 3 of them were setup birds. One, I was out moving decoys and a big old Drake mallard came in and I smashed him. He was just locked up on the spot, and then just now I was moving our boats and getting us repositioned here, and 3 widgeon just totally ignored me and flew way too close. So I took 2 out of the 3, and you know, that's what you do when you're setting up. We always carry our guns with us because inevitably birds will fly over us while we're setting up. So that's the story. Like I said, we got somebody that's probably, I don't know, maybe 150 yards from us on the right hand side, and but that's the way it is. And welcome to public land hunting. And hopefully we all, you know, shoot our lanes and don't sky blast, and we should be okay. Like I say, super foggy, very little wind. I suspect it's gonna clear up here by noon, but you never can tell in the winter like this. So out here with old 3-shot, and we got our usual situation with all the silhouettes and AVNX, who still hasn't called me to sponsor me yet. So I keep waiting, guys. I'm plugging your stuff for over like 2 years now. So hey, let me know. And then we got some more. I got a few pintails out here this time because we have seen a few more of those. So. Yeah, which are AVNX, by the way. Anyway, and we got some G&H mallards before they screwed up the faces on the mallards. So 1990s version G&H mallards. Anyway, hopefully camera does good today, and we'll turn you back on when birds are flying and dying. Enjoy the hunt. You got that one?
I did. He's low.
Wait for it.
Down now.
Wait for it. You gonna go?
I gotta go.
Let's wait for him.
Got that one.
Oh, come on, go down, sucker.
Oh, I shot it too. The one that dropped is mine.
You dropped one?
Well, as you can see, I'm not out in the field making this outro. I'm back in the office, and the weather and the tides really conspired to make it a rough paddle back. With it going out to a minus tide, we had to boogie it out of there, and we didn't make it before we had to go around the mud flats, which for us means it's about twice as far. And then in addition, because it was going out to a minus tide, we had to paddle against the tide and the wind. So it took us twice as long to get home. It was completely dark. We were relying on Onyx in order to get us back to the ramp. We had to crab walk across current, and once we got to the headlands, we could actually make some progress. So we were pretty beat by the time we get out, so we didn't do an outro. Birds just didn't fly all day, and that's late season, right? I mean, there's a lot of that big wind and big storm we had moved the birds down south. So we'll see. We're going to go out again this week and see if there's any birds left on the marsh. We might get a reverse migration because it got real warm, and so some of the birds sometimes come back in. But we'll see. You know, that's the end of the season, kind of hunting, and it's been good stuff. So, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers. We are at over 700 subscribers now, so I really appreciate you subscribing, and the channel's kind of growing, and we're excited about that. So you'll see more videos coming up, and we'll see you next time.